we are then, guys. Maiden flight of the Dancing Wings Eagle. I'm going to have the first flight. I've got a 2S 1600 milliamp hour battery in. I've also got a 3S 1300 hour, but I'm starting with the 2S. Right, the last two I've seen didn't go too well, so hopefully I'm just going to launch mine nice and level. Right, left, up, down, nice and level, and the wind I think is coming from there. So let's go. I've set the timer for 5 minutes to start, which is probably way under, but we'll give it a go. Well, that's full throttle. Throttle back a bit. Well, it's lovely in this wind. I think I'd need the 3S to fly it in anything stronger wind. Seems to be quite controllable. Throttle back. It's smooth, isn't it? That's full throttle, darling. It's not zooming off, but
no.
I'm just dialing in some up elevator, guys. Battery probably moved back a bit. There we go. Let's motor off and see what the glide's like. It doesn't show any hint of tip stalling, but then look at those wingtips. The glide's okay, but I was using maximum throws to turn it then, because there's not a lot of air blowing over the fins. Yeah, control surfaces. Have we ever seen an eagle loop? Let's try a slow pass, or a low pass. Motor off. Well, it's certainly a very relaxing aeroplane to fly. As there's a little bit of breeze coming from my face, there is a slope down there. Might get a little bit of slope lift, you never know. Okay, so we're coming up to 5 minute battery run time, so we'll bring her in. That's where the prop saver comes in handy, look. Just bends, there we go. So there's your Dancing Wings 1.2 Golden Eagle. Very gentle indeed. I love it actually. So let's try it with a 3S battery. Okay guys, I've put the 3S in now, but this one in here is a 1300 milliamp hour and it's 3S, so I'll have more beans, but I won't have as much air time. So we'll see if I can get up a bit higher. I can glide around for longer. Well, look at that rate of climb now is going almost vertical. Oh, it's better on 3S, definitely, as you would expect. So motor off. There's a little skylark flying around with me, doing his best to follow. You watch this climb. That's not far off vertical, is it? Not far off. You won't be able to see it now, it'll be a dot probably. And motor off. And hands off. Yeah, 2S is fine on a calm day, but 3S will give me more control on a windier day. So I was actually making control corrections there, but because it wasn't really doing a lot, because it needs a prop wash. If I open throttle now and yank it around, can't complain at that. Mark Croucher was saying that up north the red kites would see this thing off. I said we might have problems with the seagulls, but actually that seagull is flapping away. They are cowards on their own actually. Let's try a downhill pass, which will be slightly downwind as well. It's a very stable, gentle flyer. Okay, really successful trial. Let's bring her in. I don't want to stop, it's so smooth and gentle. That was fun. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll put the little build video linked up at the end of this video in a moment, and you can see what it takes to put one together. But yeah, great fun. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.